What's good, YouTube family? What's happening? What's happening? Y'all already know what it is, man, and what time it is. This is Forex Trading with Danny. Live on this March 31st, 2022. Hope everybody doing good out there. Everybody doing well, staying healthy, holding it down. Hope everybody had a great day. My day pretty smooth. Especially dealing with these Forex charts. Things was pretty cool, calm, and collected for me. But definitely we're going to get into it. We're going to take a look at the charts and see what has happened. Take a look at what we can try to anticipate in the near future through the overnight hours, early morning hours, and what we could look to tomorrow ending up being or look to happening by the end of tomorrow. But definitely want to advise anybody who might be interested in learning more about Forex. Hit me up, holla at your boy. You can follow me on Instagram _Danny_Goodman. Follow me there, DM me. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel, like the videos, leave some feedback and comments. Share the videos. You can also email me as well, DannyGoodman03@gmail.com. Holla at me, if you're interested in learning more about Forex, if you're intrigued by anything you've heard, if you have questions, or, just let me know that you're watching, leave a comment, holla at your boy. But, Forex is a great investing vehicle, great way for you to take some capital and flip it, basically, just like you would intend to do with any kind of investment. But with any investing or in investments comes with the risk of loss. So I must give that disclaimer, and that past performances do not indicate any future results. So you must do your due diligence anytime you're looking to do any investing. And specifically, even if, what we're dealing with here is Forex. But without further ado, we're going to take a look at the charts and see what's going on. Let me make one addition to my chart before I transition over there. Let me do something real quick. All right. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to flip it to my chart. All right, so let's see. Where did we end yesterday? Yesterday we might have been in this area or somewhat right here. So we made that rally up, and I woke up. It might have been like 2 o'clock in the morning, Central Standard Time, or Central Time, should I say? And this candle had happened where it had closed underneath, and when I woke up, this candle right here was happening. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get into a sell and see if I can, if it's gonna go down, because it closed under the moving average previously, and which gives me basically a signal that to take a short position. So I did that. Market kind of moved against me, and it got to a point in this candle where it got in profit. So I just got out the deal. I got out of the trade because I saw that basically it was kind of just consolidating. Basically, it was ranging. I saw that basically it's going to be ranging in this kind of price range here. So price is going to probably be moving up and down in this little price range until it breaks out either up or down for a little while, which is all good with me, because it just helps me to work on my patience. So I'm just going to be cool. What I could do, there is, you still can trade in a ranging market. You just got to know how. So say for instance, if this candle was to get up to this price point, I could do a sell here, and then I will be trying to take it down to here. And just like, say for instance, if a candle hit down here, I could do a buy here, trying to take it back up here. You can definitely, that's what's called scalping. You know, you can definitely be profitable doing scalping. With me, I'm more so of a trend trader. I like to catch trends like that, you know, that, you know, that. That's where, in my opinion, I can make the most. I can optimize gaining the most pips is catching trends. You know, when it's sideways, you know, you might get you a few pips here and there. If you're really good at it, you know, you can really, you know, make a living off of scalping doing this technique I just showed you right here, because most likely, you know, in a typical forex market or any kind of market, if you're into, you know, stocks or crypto, whatever you trade, most likely there's a high percentage of the market being in a consolidation or a ranging market then when it trades. Like, it only then when it trends, because it only trends about 15 to 20% of the time, you know, so all other times is consolidating. So you can definitely make a great living off of learning how to scalp. Just not necessarily my forte, but you know, that, you know, someone could definitely capitalize still in this kind of market. But what I'm going to be looking to do is to wait until I get a candle to close below here. So say for instance, if this candle or any candle that precedes is to close under this price point, I would look to take a sell. Otherwise, what I will be anticipating is for it to break above this price point or approximately this price point and make a move up to see if it's going to get above this moving average here. If it does, I'll be looking for a buy situation. But at the same time, what it could do, it could get over this around this price point, get close to this moving average, and still come back down. And then at that point, I will be looking for a sell opportunity. So, you know, there's quite a few things that the market can do. But I'm just going to kind of be chilling. I'm being kind of the same situation I was, you know, at this point yesterday when I spoke with you all. I was just going to kind of figuratively sit on my hands, be patient, and just wait for the market to come to me and give me a great opportunity to capitalize on getting some profits. But in my analysis, something else I want to show you. So, you know, today is probably going to be the most coaching I've done on one of these videos versus just straight giving my analysis or showing y'all trade this or this or that. Because I've shown y'all, one, you know, for anybody paying attention, taking heed, you know, as far as how you could scalp and trade in a sideways market, right? So another thing that I'm realizing, or I peeped when I was kind of analyzing the markets and stuff like that, this candle right here is considered to be an inverted hammer. And in times previous to me looking into it and doing my research into it and stuff like that, in times past, I would see this. I would see how the wick, how price has gotten here, but it rejected. In my head, in my mind, I was thinking that was going to indicate that it's going to go down. And a lot of times I would get burnt because the market would go up. So that was somewhat kind of what happened with this trade. I got in early in the morning, like, let's see, it might have been like 4 o'clock in the morning or something like that when I got into this one. And it went up and it went against me. But I had gotten out in a slight profit, you know, nothing to just, you know, roo-rah about, nothing like that. But I got out of the deal and obviously it went up. So I started looking back at some previous candles to see if it behaved the same way. And lo and behold, I peeped something. So here go another inverted hammer. And then it went up. Another one, and went up. Another one, and it went up. another one, and it went up. Well, I won't get into that one on the upside, but basically, hopefully you get the point. Something that I'm going to be trying to be more cognizant and tentative of is looking for these inverted hammers, especially like say for instance if I'm in a sale and I'm shorting the market and I see one of those, that could be an exit signal. If I see an inverted hammer, that should be a telltale sign I need to be getting up out of my sell, because the market is about to be changing. And or if it's a situation where say for instance, let me see if I can find. So hypothetically, say for instance, if I'm trying to find a good example. Okay, cool. So say for instance in this uptrend that's going on right here that we see. So this is a pullback. Anytime it makes like a little temporary move to opposite of the trend, that's just basically a pullback. So say for instance if the trend is going up, but it's pulling back. If I were to see one of those inverted hammers in this situation, then that's going to let me know that, okay, here shortly, I'm going to be able to catch the trend back going. So, it's just something I peeped. I wanted to share with y'all. That's a little, piece of game right there for anybody paying attention. Who, for anybody out there who into Forex, knowledgeable somewhat of Forex, y'all might be able to take that piece of game with you. And I might be able to take that kind of far. But again, man, I'm just going to stay patient. And, I might not get into a trade tomorrow. It might just continue to just consolidate throughout the rest of the day. And I might have to just be patient and wait till the market opens up on Sunday, going into Monday, and see if I get another opportunity. But either way it goes, I'll be ready. And whenever I get a signal or a opportunity, I'll be ready to capitalize, take action. But that's all I got for y'all this evening. I will not be doing one of these tomorrow evening. The next time, God willing, I will do another one. Will be Sunday evening. But I'm planning to do something as far as on my channel, period. Not necessarily just dealing with Forex trading with Danny. Just for my channel, period. I'm planning to do something special. If anybody might be awake somewhat early Saturday morning, I'm planning to do something special. If not, you can definitely check the playback, because you'll be able to check it out at a later time. But be on the lookout for something very special Saturday morning, and God willing, I'll be able to put that together for you all. But again, this has been Danny. Hit me up, holler at me if you're interested in learning more about Forex. Definitely open to coaching. And until the next time, y'all take care of yourselves. Y'all have a great evening, morning, afternoon, brunch, wherever you at. Take care.